another Prime Minister is removed for non-disclosure of notional income which he never received. I'm not going to comment about this judgment. I'm just saying what it says. It says, Mr. Prime Minister, you were entitled to receive salary, you did not receive it, and you did not disclose it. So, you're not a good Muslim, so we sent you home. That's what the judgment says. I won't say if I agree or not. Anyways, that's what it says. And how was it done? Before that, it was preceded by something called JIT. Now, we have become very, by the way, for those who don't know, maybe the foreign guests, it's Joint Investigation Team. Actually a term with which I was also pretty unfamiliar, because in all the laws of Pakistan, you'll search for it, you'll find it only one place, and that is in the Anti-Terrorism Act. I don't think it is found anywhere else, and the distinguished lawyers like Mr. Abid Saki and Mr. Hassan Boone and Mr. Hafiz Rahman, whether can correct me whether there is mention of JIT anywhere else other than the Terrorism Act. But anyways, the normal people who do their work, no, you can't do it, we'll do this way. Okay, fine. So we get a JIT.
YouTube पर Googly TV देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly TV टाइप करें। Googly TV के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। YouTube पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए। आपको हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा।